Okay, one more lesson on hair and protein since we're on this. So your hair is made up of protein. It's made out of the protein keratin. But anyway, all protein is made up of amino acids. There's 20 different amino acids. So when you put the different amino acids together, you get different protein. So people with naturally curly hair, imagine naturally curly hair or naturally straight hair, the only difference is they have a different set of amino acids. People with curly hair have a lot of an amino acid called cysteine. And when you look at the chemical structure of cysteine, it has sulfur in it. When you put multiple cysteines together, the sulfurs come together and they form something called a disulfide bond. So you get this nice, beautiful curl. Straight hair is beautiful too. With straight hair, they have less cysteine, so you get less of these bonding. So it's more relaxed. And then you see hair all between depending on the different amino acids, but that is the chemistry behind it. And then just to add one more layer, so all of it has to do with bonds. So when people are trying to create chemical treatments, if you want to create chemical treatments to create hair more curly, you're trying to figure out more ways to increase these bonds between each other. Like a lot of those curling creams and all of that, that's what they're trying to do. And I'll talk about that more in a second. And then with straightening treatments, those treatments are trying to break those bonds. So that's the difference between the two. Now, in terms of hair products, something else I want to say is a lot of people with like curly, wavy hair, this whole range, they'll tell you that like when your hair is wetter or when we get our hair wet, it becomes way more curlier. And the reason is that water is H2O. And when you add it to your hair, you create more hydrogen bonds, and more bonds equals more curl. That's why a lot of curling or wavy hair products tell you to put them in when your hair is soaking wet, because it helps create that, it helps when that bond is formed with your water drenched, it helps seal that. So that's my little beauty lesson, adding biology to it.